Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so we have these 6 digits here 1, 3, 4, 0, 2 and 7. Using these 6 digits, we need to create 5 digit numbers that are divisible by 4 and such that no digit is repeated in the number. We have to find the number of such numbers, number of such 5 digit numbers. Okay, so when a number is divisible by 4, what it means is that the last 2 digit of the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so now if I write the last 2 digits that are divisible by 4, that will be, so first of all, if it is divisible by 4, it has to be even. So the number has to end with either 4, 0 or 2. So if I create 14, 1, 4, that is not divisible, 10 is not divisible, 12 is divisible. Okay. After that, if I do 34, it is not divisible, 30 is divisible, not divisible, 32 is divisible. Then digit cannot be repeated, so I cannot have 44, 4, 4. Okay, so I will have 4, 0, that is divisible, 4, 2 is not divisible. Then 0, 4 is divisible, 0, 2 is not divisible. Okay, then 24 is divisible, 20 is divisible. Okay, now if I form it from 7, that is 74 is not divisible, 70 is not divisible, 72 is divisible. Okay, so I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 options. So a 5 digit number has to end with any of these 7 options for it to be divisible by 4. Okay, now if you look at it, I have zeros in these cases, 3 cases. So I will take care of these 3 cases separately. Okay, because why I will do that? Because 0 will have then two-way restriction. 0 cannot be the first digit of a 5 digit number. If 0 is the first digit, in that case, so if I have this 5 digit like this, 0 cannot be the first digit here. Because if 0 is here, then this becomes a 4 digit number. Okay, so 0 cannot come here. So that is why 0 has a two-way restriction. Okay, one restriction will be here, the other restriction will be here. Okay, so I will take the 0 cases separately. So what we'll do is, we'll take the case for 12. Okay, we'll try to find out how many numbers end with 12 here. Okay, how many 5 digit numbers end with 12. So I'll put 1 and 2 here. Now the number of ways this can be filled is 1 because 1 is coming here, and number of ways this can be filled will also be 1 because 2 is coming here. So if I have put 1 and 2 there, the number of ways will be 1 only. Okay, because there is no other option. Now if you look at it for this place, I have already utilized 2 digits from these 6 digits. 0 cannot come here. So at this place, 3 digits cannot come. Okay, out of 6. Why? Because 2 of them are 1 and 2 and the third is 0. Okay, so this place can be filled in 3 ways. Out of 6 digits, 3 cannot come. So only remaining 3 can come here. Okay, so this can be filled in 3 ways. Now for this place, I have used from the 6 digits, I have used 3 digits. 2 digits are 1 and 2. The third digit is placed here. So out of 6 digits, 3 digits are utilized. So only 3 digits can come here. Similarly, only 2 digits can come here. So number of numbers ending in 12 will be 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. That is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. Similarly, the same will hold true for 32. The same will hold true for 24. And the same will hold true for 72. So how many such numbers are there which doesn't have 0? There are 4 such numbers. Okay, I have put it in squares. So 12, 32, 24 and 72. There are 4 such numbers. For each number, 18 such numbers are possible. Okay, for each of these numbers, 18 5-digit numbers are possible. So in all, there will be 18 into 4. These many numbers can be formed. 18 into 4 is 72. So there are 72 5-digit numbers that can be formed which are divisible by 4, but we still have to count the numbers which has 0 in it. Okay, so for that we'll create a 5-digit number here. Let us find it for 40. So if I have 4 and 0 here, I have already filled these 2 places. So the number of ways these can be filled is 1 and 1. Okay, now for this place, if you look at it, 0 over here is already utilized. Okay, so out in these 2 digits. So I have 4 options for this place. Okay, if you look at it, initially I had 3 options. Why? Because 1 and 2 were there utilized and 0 cannot come here. Now I have utilized 0 here. So there are 4 options here now for this place. Okay, because there are 6 digits, out of them 2 are utilized. Okay, so I have 4 options. Similarly, I'll have 3 options here and 2 options here. So the number of such numbers will be 4 into 3 into 2, that is 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24. Okay, now the numbers ending with 0 are 3, 40, 04 and 20. So total number of 5 digit numbers which are divisible by 4 having 0 as one of the digits in the last 2 digits will be 24 times 3. Okay, that is 72. So in all there will be 72 such numbers and 72 such numbers. So total numbers will be 72 plus 72, which is equal to 144. Okay, and that is the answer here. Alright, so 144 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, that is how we solve this question.